Carlin, you were working with a client and you discovered a nuance with orgasm.
Yes. Very often when we're building up to an orgasm, where we start to feel the orgasm feeling and it's too intense. And what do? Our eyes open, we pull our hand or our vibe off our vulva, so we break the connection with the body. We hold our breath and we go, oh no, 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 it's too much.
Mhm.
Right. And then we stop.
Yeah. Is that fear, Carlin?
Pleasure anxiety is real, right?
Mm,
Because it's a new sensation.
yeah.
And I'm not in control. My body is in control. And that's very unfamiliar. And we're taught as women that that's not safe. So I'm building this orgasm, my body's taking over. What will happen? I mean,
Yeah.
we've had women write in, could I die? Could I have a heart attack from having like a huge orgasm? So I'm here to tell you, no, you can't. I watched Betty
Mhm.
have orgasms and blow her head off in her 90s, and she didn't have a heart attack.
Mhm. I remember Betty saying, "Aren't you curious? How much pleasure can you take? Like, what is your capacity? Keep going." She was always encouraging. I mean, even after orgasm, it's like, have another one. How much can you take?
That's what I love about the workshops. Very often when you're leading, you take some orgasm waves, you might help support someone, maybe you take a pee break, and then you get inspired to go back. And very
Exactly.
often I think I'm done.
Right, right.
And
And then, yeah. Yeah, I discover I'm not done because I get inspired by somebody else. So, yeah, the workshops are great for that. What would you advise though for someone who is like at that edge, right? Right just before you go over. And what should they do instead of stop?
okay, so if it feels too intense and you're using your hand or your vibe, move your vibe like 2 inches away. So keep
Mhm.
the connection with the body. Don't break the stimulation. If you're
Mhm.
using your hand, use a lighter touch. Just pull, ease up on the stimulation, because
Mhm.
your orgasm will come if you're started on that wave. As long as you keep the connection with the body, you'll keep going. So don't break the connection, stay within.
Yes.
Right, so
Yeah.
don't open your eyes, don't start speaking words. What's going on? I don't understand. Focus on the sensation, stay with the body, keep breathing,
Mhm.
and know like nothing bad can happen from pleasure.
Exactly. Exactly. And then before you know it, you'll go over the edge. And I love to be at the edge, right? So it's kind of like, knowing that this is pleasurable and beautiful and you deserve every bit of it.
And if you need to take a break, so if it feels really intense, and sometimes the intensity is emotional trauma,
Mhm.
orgasm regulates the central nervous system by pushing out the trauma. So sometimes we're dealing with something and we're not really ready to let go of it. So as you feel it building and it's coming up and it's too much, you can coast and take a break. Keep the connection with the body. Put your hand down. Give your vulva a hug. Keep breathing. Take a few minutes. Go back. You can't lose your arousal once you're building as a woman. You can't lose the erection. So the blood flows there. It's in all the erectile tissue. Take a moment, but go back. Don't quit. And
Mhm.
I've done this where you get a negative thought in your head, and I'll just say, you know what? Fuck off.
Right.
Right? I'm not doing that. I don't do fear. I don't do guilt. This is my time. I'm going to do it. And then you go back. When we speak things out loud, when we have like a self narrative, it's really great for the body,
Mhm.
because it's like the body goes, okay, like I'm not going to resist. I know where we're going. I talk out loud to myself all the time, and
Mhm.
it's a little bit of a coping skill. So
Mhm.
stay with it.
Right. Right.
Ride the waves. It's like being in the ocean. Just jump up, jump up, enjoy it. And I promise you, the more you light up your pleasure network and the more you ride the waves, it will get a moment where it's never too intense. It's never
Yeah.
too intense for me. Is it too intense for you, Laura?
Never, never, never.
Yeah.
It just gets better and better and better. Yeah, trust in your body. You deserve pleasure.
So we're having a workshop this May 2nd and 3rd in Cleveland, Ohio, and we'd love to see you in the circle. You can go to bodysex.com/workshop. If you have any questions, you can email us, and we can ride some orgasm waves together.
I'm looking forward to it.